Tired of struggling with complex calculations on your iPhone? Get ready to be amazed. In this video, I will show you the incredible new feature in the iOS 18 calculator. From advanced math functions to hidden productivity hacks, this powerful tool will make your life easier than ever before. So grab your iPhone and let's dive into the world of iOS 18 calculator. At the first, when you open up your calculator, you will see the basic mode like this. And you have an option to calculate your numbers like this. As you can see. Now for going to another mode, you need just to tap and hold on the calculator icon on the downside from the left. As you can see, now for iOS 18 we have a three option: basic, scientific, math notes, and another option which is convert. Now just tap on convert and you have so many options to convert your data and value to each other. As you can see, this is for reverse your convert from for example from USD to Euro or from Euro to USD. And now when you tap here on this arrow, on the right side, you have an option to select your unit or currency. Just tap on it and here you can see all of the units from the weight, volume, time, area, angle, and you can see all of the available units here. For example, I choose length and here you can convert centimeter to meter. For example, 100 centimeter, which is 1 meter, another one. And let me choose another unit, millimeter to meter. As you can see, now I will choose actually volume or weight. For example, gram to kilogram. For example, 1 kilogram, which is about 1000 gram, and reverse it, for example, 1000 gram, which is 1 kilogram. This convert is great, guys. You don't need actually the third part app or another app. Just use it. For example, as you can see, which is so great, guys. And we will go to another option. Just again tap and hold on the calculator icon and we will go to another mode which is scientific for engineer, which is so great. Now let me turn off the convert section here. As you can see, we have a engineering calculator which is complete and useful. Now let me show you, for example, sinus 90 degree. Let me type again 90 degree and you will see the just one. For example, cosinus 90 degree again, which is 0. And for example, some kind of number, as you can see. Just for demo I will show you. And even, guys, for logarithm, which is so great. Let me show you. So great, guys, and complete. And you have so many options, guys, here. For example, as you can see, and for radian, for degree, and all of the thing you need is here, especially for the guys who are in engineering actually field. Now it's time to go to amazing part, which is math notes. So just tap on here and here, just on the right and downside, select the note here and just select the marker here. Yes, as you can see. And try to write your actually numbers. For example, after you write your math, just actually draw equal and you will see the result like this, which is so great and simple and easy to use. Again, one more time, let me show you another numbers. For example, I will choose marker. For example, sinus, again 90 degree, and you can see the one here. So great, guys. Again, for cosinus 90 degree, yes, and it will be 0. So great, guys, and smart. Now after your results, you can go to actually this option and remove your actually result, or here delete completely the page. Again, choose the marker, yes, and let me show you another exam. 10 plus 2, yes, 20. Just draw equal and you will see the result, which is so great. And you can scratch it and make it smaller. So great, guys. Let me show you another actually feature. Let me delete it and open up a new page. Again, choose marker. Now here is the best option to actually draw the graph. As you can see, y equal x and insert graph, which is so great, guys, amazing. And you can see the graph here. Let me show you another exam. Let me delete the graph. Here you can redo or undo. Let me delete the page. Yes, actually it needs another option to redo, but we don't have here. Actually, this is the beta version. For example, y equal x plus 2, and as you can see, guys, there is no option. This is actually beta version and it's a little bit buggy. Let me show you another exam. Y equal, actually now, yes, insert the graph and you can see. Amazing, guys. So useful for students, which is so great. And let me show you another exam, which is so great. Again, delete the page and start new one. For example, y equal sinus x, yes, wait, and you will see the option to insert graph. So great, guys, amazing, amazing. You don't need to anything, just draw your mathematics here. So great. And another exam for you, just draw equal and you will see the result here. Just tap and hold here and make it smaller and you will see the result, which is so great. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to iOS 18's game-changing calculator. Remember, your iPhone or iPad is now your most powerful math companion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget that to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is my IDY, signing off. Until the next one, happy calculating.